Okay, available na. Click 160. PCX 160 4 valves. CNC ported. So yan yung intake. So yan yung finish ng intake at polish naman para sa exhaust. So ito yung exhaust. Polish na yan, 4 valves. So yan yung intake. Ang size nito is 1922. Limited stocks lang ito, limited.